Good morning, class. Welcome to your first day of your self-portrait unit. We're going to discuss everything you need to complete today so you can get the full amount of points and also so that you know exactly how to complete them correctly. So first, let's go over your learning goal. We are going to investigate or look at how artists use media, the materials, to communicate their ideas or mood, because that's essentially what you're going to be doing, so we're going to look at that. And then our central question is, why do artists write an artist statement? And basically we do this so that we can explain what the artwork is about to the viewer so that they don't have any misunderstanding of the message and the mood that we're trying to convey, because the artist isn't always as successful as they want to be, so at least the artist statement can explain it clearly, what the message was, how they came up with the idea, what materials they used, and even how they executed it, how they got to that finished product. Then your vocabulary word is self-portrait. That'll be discussed in a later video. So go into your task list of what you're actually going to complete today. We are first going to watch a self-portrait PowerPoint video. It's a short video that's going to help with your entrance ticket. And then with step 2, you're actually going to complete your entrance ticket by answering the 2 questions below. What is a self-portrait? And why did Chuck Close change his painting style to look like pixelated photographs? Chuck Close is a famous artist who will be discussed in that video, but please make sure you watch the video, because if you don't watch the video, you will not know the answers to the entrance tickets. Please do not Google them. Watch the short video. The answers are right there. Once you've completed your entrance ticket, and of course watch the video before that, you are then just going to figure out a message or mood for your self-portrait that you want to create, and just submit a selfie to the day 1 student progress. Please, what you do today for this photo is going to guide the rest of your progress for the assignment. So make sure that the message or mood you want to convey in your self-portrait is something that you want, something you enjoy. So a reflection of yourself, or maybe even the mood that you're feeling in that day. Because anything that you do should always be worth doing. So make sure you can connect to the photograph, and that is something you really want to do. So you first want to plan that mood or message. Then just take a photograph of yourself from the torso up, and you can pose in any way you want. That'll help convey your message. You can even use props as long as you're not covering your face. And then lastly, just upload your image to the assignment. And then for the 4th task for today, it's an optional video, but there's a video attached called Chuck Close. It's basically an interview with that artist where he basically explains his life story and how he got to where he is. But again, that is optional. So please make sure you complete steps 1 through 3. Most importantly, you're doing your entrance ticket and submitting your selfie today. And then that video is there for you if you'd like to get some more insight on Chuck Close. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing your work today. And please make sure you get everything in on time so we can start the unit off on the right foot. All right, bye, everyone.